Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Maniology Mani by Me subscription box. This is July's box and I just received it today, which is Saturday, July 6th. I was expecting it to come Monday or Tuesday, so when I got a notification that it was delivered, I ran to the mailbox and had to get it. And it's just, oh, it's bubble themed and it's so cute. I saw the live where they unboxed it. So it's called Bubble Pop. And so we get the 2 subscriber exclusive plates, 2 polishes, and then our bonus gift is a 6-in-1 Aurora nail tip stand. So yes, very nice. This is the little inspo card here. And it just gives you step by step of how to achieve that look there. Very cute. So we're going to go ahead and get into everything that comes in the box. Let me get this. Always get a cute sticker. Life won't shine unless you do. And it's got the little wave there, perfect for summer. And then this is the bonus gift. It's got a pretty shift of colors, very nice. And then we get the 5 little magnetic stands. And they've got glitter all over them. They're very cute. So yes, very nice to have. You can always use nail stands. And so now we're going to get into the polishes. Very pretty colors. Oh, they're gorgeous. So this is Euphoria B519. And it's like a creamy peach color. And it's got that green shift. Oh, it's so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have Bliss B518, very beautiful lavender, but it's got a pink tint to it. It's kind of hard to see now, but I'm going to compare with some other shades that I have that are kind of close to this, and you'll see it's got a hint of pink. So these are my other purples that I have. And as you can see, Bliss has a little bit of a pink tint to it. Sorry, my voice is a little cracky. It's real dry. It's been so hot here and I've been trying to drink a lot of water, but kind of cracky. So yes, the polish on the right is one we got in one of our boxes a couple months ago. It was also a bubble theme, but it's got a blue shift, and then the one we received today has a green shift. So the shifts are a little different. I know it was hard to tell on camera, but look how cute, feeling bubbly. Bring on the bubbly, and it's got the little wands. Oh, it's just so cute. It's got little moons. The little girl blowing the bubbles, just adorable. And then this is the next plate. We've got the little balloon animals. And it says in my own bubble. So cute. Oh, I just love it. Bubbles are just so cute. So this is everything that we received in the July box. I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready so we can swatch the polishes. So we're going to swatch Euphoria. And I wanted to do this little line of bubbles here. So I was putting on the sticky base because usually you have to put a sticky base, but I noticed the stickers this month are not matte. They have a shine to them. So I took the base off so we can see if it'll stamp, and it stamped without putting the sticky base. So yeah, I think they changed the stickers because to me it had a shiny coat on it, and usually it's matte. And like I said, I always have to put the sticky base. So that's cool that they did that. So I'm just going to clean that off. And then for Bliss, we're going to go in with this cute little image. It's got bubbles and it has a butterfly on it. And I just thought, That color would be perfect for that. And then we get to see that, what it looks like on a dark background and then a white background. So yes, I'm going to figure out a design to do and I will be back. All right, so since we received the stands, I thought it's only, you know, proper to do a press-on set. These are the tips I use there. I think I got those from a giveaway I won from the Nail Genie SC. I think that was way over a year ago. And I just thought, I don't know, for some reason with the design I had in mind, I just thought the almond tips, I think these are almond, would look really cute. And so all I did was buff the tips. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them off one more time, and then we're gonna take some alcohol and just clean, make sure we have no dust on the tips. And then we're gonna apply our base coat and we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Now this shape, I love it on other people, and like I said, for the design, I just thought this shape would be perfect, but for me, on my hands, it just does not look right. Even my little 9-year-old was sitting next to me when I was doing like my final shots and stuff, and he just was looking, and I said, oh, they don't look good, huh, on me? And he's like, they look kind of weird. So yeah, that shape on me, it just doesn't fit my hands. This is Peach Fuzz. This is from Madam Glam. This is in the new July box, the July collection. I love this color. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna do 2 coats, but it doesn't look good with my skin tone. So I think too, that's why he was kind of looking like, yeah, I think it's a little bit too dark for a nail bed color for me. But if I did nail art or something like that, you know, incorporate it with other colors, I think it'd be fine. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It is a gorgeous peach. So I'm going to do some Frenchies. So what I'm doing is I'm just wiping off the tacky layer. I didn't want to go in and put top coat because I didn't want the nails to be bulky. So I just wiped the sticky layer, and then I'm going to go in with Perfect Black. And I'm just going to show one nail. I'm not going to show like every step because it took me a long time to do these. You know, and I was like, well, the video is about stamping, so I didn't want to show too much of the Frenchies. Just going in with my brush and just, you know, like I said, I'm not the best at it, so I did it a little bit too high. So I'm going to go in and draw another, you know, guideline there. So yeah, I'm just going to show you a little bit of the French here. All right, so here they are all done, and I didn't top coat yet because I want to use the sticky layer to stamp. So what I had in mind was I wanted to do the black tips, and then I wanted to do bubbles on the Frenchies. I was like, oh my god, I think that'll come out so cute. So it does look so cute. You'll see. I'm just going to show 2 nails. So I'm doing that long bubble pattern there. It's got the little 4-pointed stars. It's just so cute. So I'm just making sure I'm lining it up good. And it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Look at that, how cute that green shift is. So I'm gonna show one more nail. I think it's the ring finger. So with this one and the rest of the nails, since they're a little bigger, I had to go in and use the rest of what was left on the stamper just to go on the sides of the French and just stamp, you know, where there was some little pieces missing. But yeah, look at that. I just think it looks so cool. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to do bubble Frenchies, but look at how cute. Oh, I just love it. It looks so cute. So I'm going to use Bam White, and I'm going to do the little image here that says in my own bubble, and it's got little bubbles around it, and doing that on the middle finger. I was so happy when the box came because, like I said before, I've been in a kind of a funk. Like, I have all these ideas in mind, but then when I sit down to do it, I just don't have the energy to do it. It's just, I don't know, it's just so weird. So when the box came, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna unbox it, and then try to come up with something, you know, which I do. The next set I do, which I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I just haven't, like I said, just haven't had the energy to do it. I'm gonna incorporate these plates in that set, so I will be using the plate again. And then yeah, once I sat down and unboxed it, I kind of got, like I said, I got the ideas. It's not so much coming up with ideas, it's like actually sitting down to do it. I don't know, it's like I love doing nails, and I'm like, why do I feel this way? It's like, I don't know, maybe I got too, you know, too overwhelmed with stuff, or like I said, maybe it's because the kids are here. It's like I would do most of my videos when they were at school. I'd have that couple hours to just sit down and do the videos, and now I feel like I'm always rushed because somebody's asking, you know, my son especially, my little 9-year-old, asking me, you know, I'm hungry or da-da-da. So it's like I feel like I can't really just sit down and do it. I have to keep stopping. So that might be part of it. But I told them today, I was like, we've been going places every day, and like I need to get something done, you know. So yeah, I was glad that I got this done, and I got, you know, got some nails in, because yeah, I love doing nails. It's like my passion. I just absolutely love it. So yes, I did do some reverse stamping with that beautiful purple. I filled in that flower and the butterfly and put that on the thumb. And then for the pinky, I'm going to do this image that has a moon and clouds. And yeah, the first time it didn't pick up very good. It had too much white, like, I don't know, I didn't wipe it off good, you know, scrape it good. So gonna go in and try it again. And then we're gonna go in and top coat all the nails. And this is what they look like, all top coated, nice and shiny. So we're gonna go in with these little pearls. They look like bubbles. They have like that shift. But yeah, I have them on that silicone little tray here that I got from one of the past boxes. And yeah, those were not moving. They were stuck onto the palette, which I thought, oh, that's pretty good that they're stuck, you know, they won't move around. But then when you go to pick them up, you can't pick them up with the wax tool. So I had to grab some tweezers, but I was like, that's a good idea that you don't have to worry about them spilling, you know, accidentally hitting them. You just have to pick them up, you know, with the tweezers. So I'm just going to be putting these little pearls on the index finger and the ring finger. But I just thought they reminded me of bubbles because they have that shift of like what a bubble has, like the green, blue, you know, little shift. So I thought that goes perfect. But yes, look at how cute. This is the final look here. I am going to put them on so you can see what they look like. And see what I mean? The peach I think is a little too dark for my skin tone, but I absolutely love it. I'm so going to incorporate into sets. And yeah, the shape to me just doesn't look good on my hands, but I love it for this design. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out the Mani by Me box. It's absolutely amazing. Stamping is just so fun. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.